this wonderful opportunity making money that I am very happy to share with you guys today. So you all might not know me. My name is Chris MK. On this channel I do tutorial about how to make free money online without any investments, and also teach how to make money online by doing other digital marketing, sales, affiliate marketing, and also CAP marketing as well. So do wait to watch this video to the very end of this video. At the end, you will now know the reason why you need to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip any part of this video, you will miss a lot from this video, because I have a lot to tell you here. So pay attention to this video and watch the very end of this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Now let's dive into the video. Now let us go to my screen. Now this is a Telegram bot that is offering huge amounts of money, but unfortunately this is not the video that I want to make today. So the main video I want to make will be tomorrow. A bot that is paying me $2 every day, so I will make the video of that bot tomorrow. So if you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and give me a like, me dropping that video tomorrow, YouTube will notify you immediately the video drop time. So let us go into the video now. This is the what I have for you guys today is a Solana bot. This bot is just started recently, so I decided to make this video so that you people will take advantage of this opportunity in time, so that when others are also making money from it, you also make money from it. So this thing now is the payments proofs that people have been withdrawing from this, right? Yes, people have been withdrawing from this. You have been seeing it. People have been withdrawing from this particular one. I also have video about this one. I will make many, I have many videos to share with you guys here on YouTube, because this is what I do, and this is what I'm made for, to share many opportunities with you guys. So stick with me. Let us now jump into the main video that we are here today for. Now this is the Solana free listing. If you can see, they have 10,230 members. They didn't just come out recently, so there's not much people inside it. You understand? It's not even up to 20 people. So 20,000 people. So join to this bot now and take advantage of it. So now the way this bot work is that, let us first read the terms and condition, how the bot do work. So the bot says this is like, you can withdraw the point, you can withdraw the point that you get from here in any cryptocurrency of your, in any crypto wallet of your choice. And then they like, how much is the point? Like the point, 1 point of it is 0.04 Solana, 0.004 Solana. So now, according to this thing, he said that you can earn 25 points for a friend. You just, okay, from a friend. You understand? Now I understand something on this button. There's something I want you all to understand. Let us click on the payments where they are paying people. This, okay. Like I made a mistake. This is not a particular place. I want to make this video short. I don't want it to be long. Now there is an interesting part of this video that I want you to pay attention to. You know, in some Telegram bots, that is all about mining platform, you can't withdraw until you make a deposit. Even though you invite friends, you can't withdraw until you make a deposit. Many people that have gone across this thing know what I'm talking about. So now let me get it down to you people. Now if you come down here, you see where they ask like a question. It's just like a question that they just ask you. Now you see the answer that they give to themselves. They have already answered, because you know that many people have this question on their mind, even including me myself. I was even wondering of such a thing, because I've gone across such a bot. You understand? You can also mine your this thing here, your Solana here. You offer bots. I um I doubt you did like depositing money here, because it has your own risk. I am not teaching you how to deposit here. I'm teaching you how to make money for free and leave the site before it crashes. So if you deposit money and your money you lose your money, it has your own risk. Don't blame anybody for that. Don't blame me. So before you do anything of depositing money into any site on tutorial about my video, please do your own research very well. Now you see it does not like, now you said that, does any fee or deposit required for withdrawals? This is a question mark. No, all withdrawals are free and no fee and deposit required. You understand? Now this thing is to tell you that what you don't need to think of you depositing any money. Just bring your friends in this place and get your point. You understand? And get your point. When you get your point, you guys to do what? You guys to start making your money. Now let me claim points from here. Let me claim points because I know that I still have chance to claim points. See, you see, I have claimed my own points. So, but it is too small. The only chance that you have here to make money is through inviting friends. You understand? You can also invest here by you clicking here. You see your investment plans. See your investment plans. For VIP one, you have to pay 0.05 Solana. Every daily mining, you will get 100 points. 100 points for 5 days. That is 500 points. That is your fund, like your total reward back is 0.2 Solana. You understand? Now, if you for the VIP two, if you invest 0.1 Solana every day, daily profit will be 300 points, and that 300 points is 0.12 solana. 0.12 solana. So for total 5 days of mining, you will get 1500 points, which is 0.6 solana. You understand? For the VIP trade, if you invest 0.3 solana in the like 5 days of mining, you will get every day daily mining, you will get 1000 Solana, 1000 points. Then the point 1000 points every day is 0.4 Solana. That is in mining of 5 days, you get 5000 Solana, which is 2 Solana. So this is a great opportunity that we all have to jump into it. So where my video is leading today is you inviting friends. Inviting friends, that is where my own video is leading today. By you inviting your friend here, you will get much profitable. Now you see, now you say you earn 25 points per friend. Now I want us to jump into calculation quickly. Let me not waste much of your time because I don't want this video to be long. Let me see if my calculation is still active here. Yeah, my calculator is still active. Now let me bring my face here, though you might not be seeing all the button I'm pressing. Sorry, just here is okay. So now if we do by calculation now, for example, 25, then times, you invite 100 friends, you get 2500. You invite, let me just say 200 friends, you get 5000 points. Now, let me say, okay, let me just say it now. 0 for 1 point is 0.00004. Yeah, times 5000. How? Times 5000 points. That is giving you good source of results. Am I correct? Is it 0.004? Yeah, like 5,000 point of it. It's two. Well, it's nice something. Two Solana is giving you good results. So, guys, I think we should jump into this. If you come to this two Solana, is giving you this two Solana is giving you big money. So let me now bring this thing down for you guys. I don't want to make this video too long. Just watch. Just watch something I'm trying to say. Watch what I'm trying to say here. Now, if either you mine or either you do other things on this place, either you mine or either you do other things on this place, the minimum withdrawal here, it is the minimum withdrawal here is uh five 500. Yeah, the minimum withdrawal is 500 points here. When you have 500 points in your balance, you can withdraw directly to your Solana wallet address. You understand? So that means you have to invite friends. You understand? So if you want to know how many friends that you will invite for you to take advantage of this, for you to be withdrawing, for you to be qualified for withdrawal, I will help you and do the calculation quickly. That is at 25 times 20, 500. So when you invite 20 friends here, you have withdrawn. You understand? So now let us do calculation here. Let us do calculation. 0.004 times 500. That is 0.2 Solana. That is what you'll be drawing. 5,000 is 2 Solana. So now you understand the 5,000 is 2 Solana, and why the 500 is 0.2 Solana. You understand? So you can imagine all you just need is a friend. So be nice to people so that you will also get advantage of this. So I will drop link to this particular bot in the comment section. If you have watched this very end of this video, thank you for watching. So, and if you're a person that who love to do anything concerning investment or investing on any platform, something like that, I also have platforms that I do invest on that pay me huge amount of money, but I don't like doing the video about investment because some of the investment platform are quite a high risk sometimes. So I don't want anybody to blame me or hold me responsible for their loss of anything. So, but if you're interested on that, I have a WhatsApp channel where I post my videos of how you can invest on platform, new platforms, and I will show you the date when it comes out so that you'll be time conscious of how you are doing your own investment. You understand? So, and do well to also subscribe to this video because I'll be making a video tomorrow of my withdrawal pools and also platform that is paying me huge amount of crypto coins. So thank you for watching this very to this wonderful very end of this video, and thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I will see you tomorrow on the next tutorial I am going to make thereabouts. So please follow the WhatsApp channel for you to get the like for you to take advantage of other platforms that if you are interested in investing. But if you're not also interested in investing, I also post many things there, but I don't normally post things here on YouTube. So join the WhatsApp channel for you to get advantage of my free tutorial videos of the everything is completely free. Please, anybody asking you money from me using my face or using my video, please don't give anything to anybody. You understand? If I'm requesting money from you or anything, I will be the one to come to you directly. You understand? And I can't request money from you. So thank you for watching to this very end. See you people. Bye.